Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to choose public transport options inside the Maps.me app on your phone. If you often use Maps.me for navigation, this feature can help you easily plan trips using buses, trams, subways, and more. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, select Settings from the list that appears. After that, tap on the option labeled Public Transport. Now choose the types of public transport available in your area. You can enable or disable options such as bus, tram, minibus, subway, or trolleybus, depending on what's convenient for you. Once you've made your selections, Maps.me will now use your preferred transport types when showing available routes and directions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.